Hi guys, it's Max Imagination here. In this week's video, I'll be showing you how to make a coffin in which a skeleton pops out of. If you want to know how to make it, let's get started.
To the pumpkin song. In this town, don't we love it now? Everybody's waiting for the next surprise. Skeleton Jack might catch you in the backpack. Scream like a bitch, make you jump out of your skin. This is Halloween, everybody scream. Please make way for a very special time. Our man Jack is king of the pumpkin patch. Everyone hail to the pumpkin king now. This is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween.
Okay, so that is all for this week's video, showing you how to make a coffin in which a skeleton pops out of. And this could be used as a decoration that you have on the shelf or out in your front door where all the trick-or-treaters are. You can even use it as a toy, just play around with this function, how the door pops off. And yeah, skeletons glow in the dark and it's powered by lights, so they charge up the glow. And you can even use this as a prank, so you just show your friends that there's a skeleton and it pops up. Scare your friends. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next week. Peace!